You have the microphone, you're wearing it.
On my back? I'm alive?
You're live.
I
At the
am?
car show.
Hey, everybody! Look at these two cars.
Cool, right?
Now look at this one and this one. Whoa!
What?
How could the engine open like that? Usually the engine tilts up. Well, I never seen a car in the car.
You think they probably take that out when they ride.
No, they might put it in if they ride.
Yeah, maybe. What's this one look like?
I think it's a GTO Mustang.
What's this part called?
It's called the engine.
All right. What kind of car is this one if it doesn't have a top on it? What kind of car is this?
A convertible.
Sure is.
Chevy Bel Airs.
Wow. Hey, there's Grandpa.
Yeah.
Where else do you want to look? Over there?
Look at this one.
What is this?
What? That's supposed to.
No.
It's what?
And it has mud.
Mud?
Who put that mud on the side? Dad.
Yeah. What do you see in there?
No car inside the car.
What's this car?
Second place,
It's a lowrider.
1969 Fire.
Oh, we never saw this one, Grandpa. That's a lion sound. Is that dog you gonna bite?
No, I won't play. It's your dog.
Dad, carry me. Carry me. Dad?
Yeah.
Dad? Dad? What? I thought it was gonna be like louder.